Well, we hope you guys are having a great night, and we hope that all the pudding has been fun and great and wonderful. And I think that they put me in a pretty good mood, especially that guy over there. Oh yeah. Oh, you're sitting in the back. Mr. What you callin', what you doing tonight? Hope you're in the mood because I'm feeling just right. I was about a corner with a table for two, where the music's mellow and some gay rendezvous. There's a chance of dancing with a clear attitude. You've got to do some dancing to get in the mood. Sister, what you callin', that's a funny idea. Something swinging table would be good to my ear. Everybody must agree that dancing is charms when you have a certain one you love in your arms. Starting out with you, being sweet in your lute. Oh, build her up with that, put me in the mood. In the mood. That's it, I got it in the mood. Yeah, we're smiling in the mood. A little high heat, be alive and get the job, you got to learn how. Hep, 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 hep like a heifer. Hep, 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 hot as a pepper. Step, 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 step like a stepper. From hugging to hugging, we're in the mood now. Mr. What you call him, all you needed was fun. You can see the wonders that this evening has done. Your feet were so heavy till they hardly could move. Now the light is feathers and you're right in the groove. You were only hungry for some musical food. You're positively, absolutely in the mood. Sister, what you call me, I'm indebted to you. It goes to show good and new you can do. Oh, never felt so happy and so fully alive. It seems to jump jumping is a battlefield jive. Swing your ears, giving me a new attitude. My heart's full of rhythm and I'm in the mood. In the mood, that's it, cause I got it out. I'm in the mood, your ear will spot it when you're in the mood. Bobble, 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 be alive and get the job, you got to learn how. Hep, 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 your head like a heifer full of pep, pep, pep. Your heart is a pepper and you step, 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 step like a stepper from hugging. And now we're hugging, cause we're in the mood. Well, thank you so much for having us here today. We are Letters from Home, and it is our mission to tour the country and honor our veterans, our active military heroes, and their families by reviving patriotism through music for all generations.
In 1941, the United Service Organization was born. More commonly known as the USO, they started out by bringing entertainment buses to Army troops east of the Rockies.
Soon, the USO became the official entertainment of the men and women of the armed forces, and during its peak in 1945, the USO was performing over 700 shows per day.
From 1941 to 1947 alone, they performed over 700,000 shows to audiences that totaled over 173 million people.
The entertainers were the stars of the radio, stage, and screen, vaudevillians and concert performers who just wanted to show their support of the troops.
Performers such as the Nicholas Brothers, the Inger Sisters, Judy Garland,
Bing Crosby, Danny Kaye, and so many more took troops on a sentimental journey with each and every performance.
Today we hope to take you on a sentimental journey of our own.
And this next song came out all the way back in 1943, the same time that Kiger Printing came out. And so we hope that it'll take you on a little sentimental journey of your own.